For those of you with older homes, you probably recognize these outdated brown wall panels. This type of paneling was super popular back in the 60s and 70s, but let's be honest, it's past its prime. I'm going to show you how to give it a modern, smooth wall look using just a little joint compound and paint. No demo, no drywall, and on a budget. Okay, so let's talk materials. This is what I use for my project. Yours might change depending on your wall and how fancy you want to get with this. But the bottom line is you'll need paint, joint compound, a drywall taping knife, a mud pan, a bucket of water, some cleaning solution, 120 through 150 grit sandpaper or orbital sander, and a trusty paint roller. First things first, pull out all the nails and any weird wall junk. Then wipe everything down with the warm water and cleaning solution. Then let the wall dry. Before we fill the panel grooves, we have to sand. A quick pass with a hand sander or orbital will give the joint compound something to grip to. Okay, now it's groove time. You want to make sure you have a clean surface before you get started. We're packing each panel line with joint compound to level the wall. Once the joint compound dries, we're going to have to hit it with a detailed sanding. This here can be one of the most tedious parts of this project. Nevertheless, we want to make sure that everything is leveled and clean. Now with the prep done, it's finally time to paint. This is where all of the sanding and the filling pays off. Finally, before and after time. With a little sanding and a little joint compound, suddenly, this wall is acting like it always looked this good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.